This week, we're in the film studio and the world of special effects.
So today you're going to be working for me on what we call a character test day. It's a chance for special effects makeup artists to experiment with characters just to see how they look on screen.
And because special effects makeup is all about collaboration, this week you're going to be working in teams.
Wow.
Knew it.
Each team will be working to a very different brief.
Pig warriors, young 20s/30s warriors who live in the woodland area. They've fought in many wars and have brutal temperaments.
I'm really excited.
Each look involves creating a fantasy animal.
Cat Royale family. Okay, so older, 60s, poised and regal. They can come across as quite snooty.
To bring their creations to life, each team will have 2 actors, 2 sets of prosthetics, 2 costumes, and just 2.5 hours.
Believability is the key to this look, and they have to work together to create that look.
Each team has some knowledge in special effects makeup and should organise themselves by appointing a makeup supervisor.
So if we put these where the brows are supposed to be.
Matthew's kind of leading the team at the moment just because he has a stronger knowledge in the prosthetics. So we're literally just like, Matthew tells what to do and we'll do it.
Taking the lead with the royal cats is Steph.
We're definitely going to need a bald cap for this, I think, and I think I saw some at the front.
To impress the judges, much depends on how well the teams blend their prosthetics into the actor's skin.
Oh, wow.
Melt it into the skin.
That looks like the most difficult part.
What are you using there to blend that edge off with?
Thinner.
Thinner?
Yeah.
Thinner is used for thinning glue, not for blending.
Okay, interesting. I'll leave you guys to it.
Is it working?
No.
I'm gutted for the girls because I do think you can tell that they just look like stuck on bits of silicone.
Yeah, thinner, it's never going to work. It literally is never, ever going to work. They're going to be in trouble. Hi, guys.
Hello.
Have you done bald caps before?
No, like, Steph's got a lot more experience with prosthetics than we have.
Yeah.
So, and we're going to try and replicate what she's doing on this under her watchful eye.
From the placement to the painting, this industry relies on planning your time efficiently so not to be late on set. With time running out,
Shall I ask Matthew?
the Bird Professor team are still no closer to blending their beaks.
We need to blend it out. How do we blend it out?
Use acetone to blend the edges, yeah.
Matthew said that we need to blend out the edges with acetone, not the thinner.
So much quicker.
Is it?
Yeah.
You have 1 hour left, guys. Just 1 more hour.
We're just powdering the skin with translucent powder to stop the makeup that we've applied from moving, so it just keeps like the layers on top of each other so we can build up depth and texture.
Even though we've got no time, we just need to keep our cool because prosthetics can go very wrong very quickly.
As final checks commence, Nikki, Paige and Tiffany have only just finished applying their prosthetics. For the look to be complete, it's not just about makeup, it also has to work with the costume provided.
OK, guys, you're into your last 10 minutes. 10 more minutes.
With the screen test fast approaching, the judges check in for last looks.
I'm really, really happy with what we've all done.
Oh, okay.
OK, guys, that's it. Time's up. Step away from your actors.
With the look complete, it's time to see how the creatures appear on camera. First, the royal cats.
You took a risk applying 2 ball caps, which is very difficult in the time you had. It kind of paid off. Not quite finished on one of the characters. Obviously, the paint stops sort of 3/4 past the head, and I think the impact of that on set, could be quite huge.
Next, the warrior pigs.
OK, you could have brought the dirt down a bit more on the neck area and things, but I think you sort of just about got away with it.
What I'd like to say is, ding dong, you nailed it. I am so impressed. Yeah, so absolutely gobsmacked, amazed.
And finally, some ruffled feathers with the wise old birds, minus 1 pair of feathery trousers.
You produce some good makeups, but I just have to think of who I may employ later on. I just think you've let yourselves down there.
With all three teams having received their critique, the judges must now decide who impressed the most and wins the prize.
There's one obvious team that's the winner, personally. I don't know what you guys...
Oh, absolutely. Head and shoulders above.
The judges have made a decision in terms of who did particularly well today.
We have decided the best team can only go to the Pig Warriors. Well done, guys.
This is actually why I'm here, because I want to show my skills. I want to show that I can work in a team, I can work alone, I can show my art. I want the judges to give me more ding-dong.